How to change your address on Amazon after order. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your address on Amazon after order. Now, changing your shipping address on Amazon after placing an order can be quite challenging, especially if the order has already been proceeded or shipped. However, you can try this following step in order to update your information. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to visit the Amazon.com app. You can also do it with the help of your application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. And then on the web address bar, type in Amazon.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. And on this page, go ahead and tap on returns and order. Just click on it, and over here you'll be able to see the product that you've ordered. So what you need to do is this: next to the product, you'll be able to see the information such as maybe delivered within a 2 day or maybe a week or whatever information, or you'll be able to see some statement as shipped or not yet shipped, whatever. So what you need to do is, if you see an option as not yet shipped, then you can update your information. Apart from that, if it has been said that it has already been delivered, then you'll not be able to make changes with your information. In that case, you can only cancel the product or an order, and then you can just re-update the information on an address, and you can once again order the same product with an updated information. So over here you need to go through the information and then click on the address under the product, and you'll be able to make changes with your order. If not, then you can directly contact the customer service team, and then he or she will notify you about the statement. So in this way you can update or change your information on your Amazon account after order. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.